Motorhome tow car, tyre shredded. No, it's not clickbait, I'm afraid. This is what's just happened to us. Another day in Motoring Mason's travels, and we only did 34 mile. We left the New Forest this morning, and we got 34 miles to do to go from the New Forest to Ruxbury Park, near Wickham, Fareham in Hampshire. And everything was going far too well. We were ready ahead of time, stopped at the services, got to Ruxbury, checked in, no problems at all. Found our pitch, unhooked the car, and then when Alan drove the car to put it on the pitch, there was this badoof, 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 and we looked at it and the tyre had gone flat. But it's really difficult to tell because she's got really low profile tyres. Anyway, we tried to pump it up. That didn't work. But what we couldn't tell at the time was just what damage we'd done. Anyway, I'll tell you a little bit more of the story shortly, but just take a look at this tyre. Oh my God, Alan.
It's buggered. And I tried to blow it up with the car pump.
That wasn't going to go anywhere, was it?
No.
Oh dear. This could have been very serious. We were almost on the rims and we have no idea when it happened because we've got this great big rig that's behind me here and you can't really feel the tow car on the back and you couldn't see it through the rear view camera, and we've no idea where it happened or what happened. We're assuming it was a pothole because there's like a little bit of damage to the rim in one place, the actual wheel itself, and we're assuming that that is what could have done it, but we really have no idea. Doesn't seem we have much idea about what goes wrong, does it? Anyway, we've been on the motorway. If we'd have gone on the rims, and we still wouldn't have noticed it, it could have been very dangerous and very serious. Anyway, we rang the AA, and the AA gave us an ETA of 320, which they subsequently changed to 345. But we knew that what we had to do was to locate a tyre, and they're quite odd tyres, quite unusual tyres, not that easy to get. We've had to do it in the past. You may have seen our video about the potholes in Derbyshire. Anyway, so we started ringing round, but in the meantime, because we'd just been to Hermanfest, I thought I'd tell all our friends from Hermanfest what had happened. And Les Davis came back, because he lives in this area, although he's in Exmouth at the moment. Anyway, he recommended Welserve Tyres. So I rang them, and they said they'd be here within the hour. And I cancelled the AA. They came within the hour. And nice, actually a couple, Joe, and Joe is a woman, not a man, and Gary. And wow, within half an hour, it was all sorted. And they were super, absolutely brilliant. And I can't recommend them enough. And Les had recommended them to us. And, well, we got a hospital appointment in Winchester tomorrow for Alan. And we'd never have been able to make it if they weren't able to get out and sort us. And I really can't thank them enough. So we're going to recommend them to everybody. They do the whole of the Hampshire area. It seems to me a bit more than that, to be honest. They go all the way to the New Forest, up as far as the M4 corridor, along and down again as far over as Arundel. So it's a huge area they cover. So if you have a problem, guys, in this area, please do ring them. Their website, email is in the description down below, and I can't thank them enough. And here's a bit of them working. Well, right word. Welserve Tyres. They've come out and saved the day for us. Thanks to Les and Lorraine. And yeah, absolutely amazing. Here within the hour, got the tyre, which is a really unusual tyre. And my God, it's in a state. And really nice people too. So if you're ever in this area and you're stuck, thoroughly recommend them. You can see their telephone number, yes, but also their website and email address there. So yeah, thoroughly recommend them.
Hello.
So this is Joe and Gary from Welserve, and they are serving us very well at the moment. Thank you very much. And the state of that tyre,
Terrible.
it's all shredded, isn't it, Joe?
Yes, it is very bad.
Very bad.
Not good.
Yes.
Not good.
Yeah, technical
I'm
term.
trying not to swear here.
Now it is. Look at the state of it. Look at it. Unbelievable. It wouldn't have been long before we lost that, would it?
No.
It really wouldn't. I wonder what caused it though.
Oh, it's a pothole, isn't it? I mean, these big van tyres go over it, but
Yeah.
when you're dragging a little low profile one, it pops them.
I'm wondering whether it was like that guy that pushed us to the side of the road
Yeah.
in Brockenhurst, Alan.
I was going to say, the potholes.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
I'm good,
Well-
good, good.
It's horrendous.
Yeah, this one goes up.
Well, relaxed here now. Car's fixed. Alan's worst nightmare averted. And we're going to settle in and enjoy ourselves for the evening. Cheers.